Start.
Let us start with exercise 2.1. What is given there in question number 1? Question number 1, it is given find the product. Okay, product means we have to multiply. So I will be doing question number A, B, C, D, E, F will be for your homework, for your practice. So it is given 1 by 3 into 0. Right? So we know that anything multiplied with 0, the answer is 0 only. But still it is a mixed fraction. We will convert it into regular fraction. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3 into 0. So as I said, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, so 0 is your answer. Next, number B. Number B is 4 3 by 4 into 2. So we will convert this into the mixed fraction into regular fraction. So 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 by 4 into 2. So now we will simplify it. We will cancel 2 2s are 4. So how much we got the answer? Our answer is 19 by 2. Right? We can also convert it into mixed fraction. Next we have number C. What is there in number C? Number C is 3 by 7 into 9. Right? Now here we cannot simplify it further. So what we will be doing? 3 9s are 27 by 7. Okay? So this is your answer. So question number 1. D, E, F will be for your homework. Okay, question number 1, D, E, F will be for your homework. Next we come to question number 2. What is given there in question number 2? Question number 2 is also the same. Find the product. Right? So what is given? 7 by 3 into 1 by 49. Now we can simplify it. Simplify how? We can cancel 7. 7s are 49. So what is the remainder? Here it is 1 and below we have 3 into 7. So what is your answer? Your answer is 1 by 3 7s are 21. This is your answer. Next we come to number B. Number B is 8 by 9 into 1 by 7. Right? Now we have to see whether can we do the cancellation and simplify it further. No, we cannot do it. So we have to multiply. So 8 into 1 and 9 into 7. Right? So 8 ones are 8, 9 sevens are 63. Right? Next number C. What is there in number C? 7 by 9 into 15 by 28. Right? So now we will see whether can we simplify it. Yes, we can. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 7 4s are 28. So what is the remainder? 1 into 5 and 3 into 4. So 5 1s are 5, 4 3s are 12. Right? So this is A, B and C. Next we come to, for your homework it will be D, E, F. Next we come to question number 3. Question number 3 is also the same. Find the product. So whichever I am giving it for homework, you have to do the homework and send me across for correction. Find the product. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. So can we simplify it? No, we cannot simplify, so we have to multiply it. So 1 into 1 into 1 and 2 into 3 into 4. Right? So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Right? Next number B. Number B is 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. So now we will see whether we can simplify. Yes, we can simplify. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2 and 5. So this is your answer. Next we come to number C. Number C is 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. Right? So here we have a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into regular fraction. So 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 into 4 by 5. Now we can see, now we have to see whether we can simplify it further. Yes, we can. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So remainder is 1 by 2. Right? So question number D, E, F will be for your homework and practice. Next we come to question number 4. What is given there in question number 4? Question number 4 is simplify. Simplify. Number A is 24 minus 24 into 5 by 6. Right? So now first we will simplify this part. So 4s are 24. So what is the remainder? 4 by 4 into 5 is the remainder. So 24, 20. So what will be answer? The answer will be 24 minus 20 is 4. Right? So this is your answer. Number B. Number B is 5 by 6 plus 2 by 7 into 7 by 8. So we will simplify it. 7 and 7 can get cancelled. 2 4s are 8. So what is the remainder? The remainder is 1 by 4. Right? Now we have to find out the LCM. So let us find out the LCM. 6 and 4. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2, 1s are 2, 3. So what is the LCM? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12 and 3. What is the answer? Your answer is 13 by 12. Next we come to number C. Number C is 2 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Right? So it's in a mixed fraction. We have to bring it into regular fraction first. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. So can we further simplify? No, we cannot. So 11 1s are 11 and 4 2s are 8 minus 3 by 5. So when we do the LCM, 8 5s are 40. So 8 5s are 40, 11 5s are 55 and 5 8s are 40, 8 3s are 24. So how much do we get when we subtract it? 55 minus 24. 31 by 40. 31 by 40. Right? So question number D, E, F will be for your homework.